Hi friends, hope you're all doing awesome. We are going to be talking about Arctic animals this week, and so I'm going to show you the words of the week. We're going to go ahead and get started. Let's see, I want to make sure you guys can see it. Oh, no. There we go. Okay, so on this side, this word, that first word that we're going to learn about is called Arctic. Arctic is at the very top of where we live. So if you can see, there's lots of green, and there's blue, and there's white in this picture over here. So we live in this green part over here. But if you go to the very, very top, by the North Pole, by where Santa is, it's called the Arctic. All this white is the Arctic. Okay, and it's really cold there. It's very icy. And there's a bunch of different animals that live here. So here on this side is a picture of the Arctic. So you can see what it looks like. It's very white. It's very, lots of ice and snow. So our first word is Arctic. Let's see our next words. Okay, let's see. So we have right here in this right corner, I'm going to move this up so you can see it, the whole picture, then we'll move back down. Right here, this big white furry animal, this bear, is called a polar bear. It is a polar bear and it has lots of fur. And then over here is another picture of the Arctic, but this is just what it looks like. It has ice. So our word is ice. Ice, lots of ice. Then I'm going to move this down so we can see these animals. This one right here, this brown thing is called a walrus. Walrus. You can see the walrus has long tusks. These white teeth coming out of its mouth. White teeth. Okay, a walrus. And then over here is a puffin. It's a puffin. All right, so it has wings, it can fly, its beak is like a reddish color, and it's small. The puffin is small, okay? So here's our animals. Let's see what else we have. All right, I'm gonna move this one up too first. Okay, so in this corner is a beluga. This is a beluga. It swims in the water, and it's white, and it's really big. A beluga is huge, okay? And then on this side, we have an Arctic fox. So it's all white, and it's just a fox that lives up in the Arctic, okay? Fox. Fox. All right, let me move this down a little bit so we can see the full picture of these animals at the bottom. All right, and then over here, this is a narwhal. A narwhal kind of looks like a whale, but it's different because it has a big horn coming out of its forehead. You can make one yourself, and then you could be a narwhal. Narwhal. And then over here we have an Arctic hare, and it's just, it kind of looks like a bunny, but it's different. So the ears are bigger, and then the overall bunny hair. The bunny is small and the hair is big. So we have an Arctic hare. And the ears are a little bit cut off, but they're really big and long. And then just the hair itself is bigger. Okay? So we have a beluga, a fox, a narwhal, and a hare. Okay, so I want you guys to practice those words, because if I ask them, I want you to know what they are. Or if I show you two pictures, I want you to be able to point to which ones I'm talking about, okay? All right, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.